Welcome back. In the earlier video, I talked about the 3 steps of setting up your Spark development environment. In this video, we are going to complete the first step. Apache Spark runs on JVM and developing a Spark application requires Java Development Kit. Spark 3.0 runs on Java 8 and up to Java 11. If you are using Java 8, then it must be JDK 1.8 update 92 or above. If you already have Java installed on your machine, you can skip the Java installation. And you can check the Java on your machine using the java-version command. Start the command window and run the following java-version command. If you see a similar outcome, you do not have Java. However, if you get something like this, then you have Java. Make sure you have Java 1.8 update 92 or above. You can also have Java 9, 10 or 11. But Java 12 and above are not yet supported. Let me show you steps to download and install Java 11 on my machine. I'm going to set up Java 11 and you can get OpenJava from the following URL. Download the file for your platform. I have a Windows machine, so I downloaded the 64-bit Windows version. Extract your downloaded file somewhere and it should give you the following folder. Copy this folder and place it at a safe location. I prefer to keep it in the program files Java folder on my Windows machine. Wherever you are placing your JDK 11 folder, that becomes your Java home. However, this is not going to work until we set the following environment variables. The first environment variable is to set the Java home. And your Java home is the absolute path of your JDK 11 directory. The second environment variable is path environment variable. You must add the JDK 11 bin folder to your path. Let me do it. You can use the command line, but I always feel safer to use the UI for doing this on Windows. So, my Java home is the absolute path to the JDK 11 directory. Similarly, I'll add the absolute path of JDK 11 bin folder to the path. That's all. JDK installation is complete. However, I want to check if things are working. Start a command window and run the java-version. You should get an output which is something like this. Make sense? That's all for the JDK setup. The next thing is to set up the Hadoop WinUtils. However, if you are using Linux or Mac machine, you do not need the Hadoop WinUtils. I am using a Windows machine, so I also need Hadoop WinUtils. Let's do it. You can download the WinUtils from the following URL. Once downloaded, extract it. You will see a bunch of versions. However, I'm going to use Hadoop 2.7.7. So, I'll copy the bin folder of the Hadoop 2.7.7 and place it at another safe location. Here is my safe location. So, this Hadoop 27 directory becomes my Hadoop home. Let me set the Hadoop home environment variable also. You should also add the Hadoop's bin directory to the path environment variable. That's all. We are done with the WinUtils. Let me check it once. Start the command window and run the echo command. And you should see the value. Make sense? Great. So we are done with the step 1. The second step is to download and install Spark binaries. We'll do that in the next video. See you again. Keep learning and keep growing.